What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a loose door handle. Now this one here has no visible screws or easy way of knowing how to remove it. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So this is a very common problem, in particular with this style of door handle, and the reason for it is there's 2 screws on the front, 2 on the back, and they tend to go loose over time. So the way we actually remove this handle here in order to be able to gain access to those screws, I like to put my foot up against the door so that it's nice and sturdy. Grab onto this cover plate here because this is where you gain access from. So hold onto the cover plate as tight as you can, and you want to rotate that there anti-clockwise, so to the left. Keep twisting, wiggle it up and down, and that section there will come off. So you can see we've got some threads right here, and those threads bite onto the center right there. So this actual plate here is loose. These 2 screws are just 2 of the 4. So we need to also remove the back side. Once again, use the trusty foot, and we're going to remove this back side here as well. Keep undoing it and then wiggle it, and you can see there we've got screws on the back and screws on the front. So what we need to do is tighten up both sides. Make sure that plate is centered. Alright, so that's that side there done, and we need to make sure that this side here is also tight. That one's now tight. And now that side is tight. So this is a very common problem. Always get calls out for this particular style here. Absolutely horrible, but surprisingly they're in a lot of houses. So to put this back on, use your trusty foot once again. Put the center straight through that shaft. Once it bites on, then you can rotate it all the way over to the right, clockwise. And that side is now nice and tight. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, tighten this side here up. Once that's on nice and tight, we've got our door handle back, nicely secured to the door the way it should be, hopefully for another 6 months or so. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. You now know how to tighten up your loose door handle. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.